Introducing the 2024 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport. With only 10,000 miles on the odometer, this sleek grey 2-litre hybrid saloon is a true stunner. Featuring a range of comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning, you'll feel secure and pampered on the road. Luxury trim and ambient lighting set the tone for a refined driving experience, while security features like centralized locking and anti-collision system keep you protected. The stop and start system and energy recuperation ensure efficiency and environmental consciousness. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Call us now or visit our website at nasnissan.ie for more information. Drive away in style and confidence with the 2024 BMW 3 Series 330e M Sport today.